automatically shifted because it does that red line even in manual mode, and then I made a shift thinking I was going to second gear, and so it ended up in third, and it just made a ton of boost in third gear and still accelerated really hard. Yeah, this thing's wild. I'm genuinely terrified of it because the transmission will explode. This is a stock Subaru 4-speed automatic, the 4EAT. It's not a CVT, just a standard 4-speed auto. And yeah, that is the original miles on it. That is the original unit to the car. It's never been out of the car. It's had regular fluid services, and that's it. So yeah, needless to say, I am terrified because that much power will destroy this transmission sooner rather than later. Although I expected sooner to be a really long time ago. Yeah. Safe to say I'm probably going to race this thing on 91 octane for a while here until I can get a good transmission replacement plan nailed down, because these are hard to find for the turbo application. So yeah, it is very fast. It is ridiculous. Let's do a little second gear here so you can get a feel for that. And third. It is just ridiculously fast for a Forester. That stock trans, it scares the crap out of me, but it still works.